Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for your dyno stand, we happen to have one of our LS 441 combinations. This happens to be going into a 34 Roadster project. I think this thing looks absolutely amazing, and this thing is going to be extremely wild for that ride. If you're interested in having something like this built for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to Dyno Run.
Morning, Mike. I got your 32 Roadster engine here on the dyno. It looks absolutely gorgeous and it runs fabulous. I'm going to fire it up and give you a run demo. How's that? Fire it right up.